you are going to love the 2018 GMC Sierra 2500 HD. The GMC Sierra 2500 HD has all your workhorse basics covered. No worries here, and is priced below $55,000. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: sliding rear window, tonneau cover, towing package, bed liner, heated side mirrors, traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, fog lights, power brakes. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You've found it, so stop in today.